Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about surprise pennies. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder, if you're going out clearance and penny shopping today, I have already uploaded a ton of videos that you might want to go and check out. We have new hidden clearance items in each video, new information, so if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, also this week at DG, we've got a little glitch going on with our Bounty and Charmin paper products. So if you missed Sunday's video, make sure that you go back and check it out. I will have an update on our P&G spin coupons coming up next. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Now, let's go ahead and talk about what's going on today at Dollar General, which is Tuesday, January the 30th. So we do have new clearance markdowns. In yesterday's video, I posted more hidden clearance items for you all to be on the lookout for. Plus, we have 2 penny lists, one of which I went over in yesterday's video, and there are tons of visuals in that video for you all. That way you can get out there and find some penny shoes today. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the second penny list. Now, this list is a little bit different, so it's going to be very important that you watch the video all the way through. That way you have all the details and know exactly what to look for. But we are going to be talking about the refrigerated section. So I wanted to remind you guys about these older pennies right here. We have the frozen berries. I am still finding these out there in the freezer sections. So be on the lookout for the Good and Smart blueberries, strawberries, and mixed berries, and scan before you go up to the register. Now, if you are new to penny shopping, please keep in mind that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask employees about penny items, penny sales, etc., etc. Whatever you want to call it, we're not going to talk to the employees about it, because that throws up a big red flag, and that tells them, oh, they're in there penny shopping, so they are going to go and try to pull all the items before you can purchase them at the register. And as always, I keep the penny policy posted over on the community tab if you all need it. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about this surprise penny list, because this is a little bit different. I am going to try to keep this as short, sweet, and simple as possible, while all at the same time giving you guys all the information that you need. That way you know what to look for and when to look for it. So basically with this list, we are getting a reset on our refrigerated and frozen sections. All right. Now this happens throughout the year. It just is kind of random. And typically with the frozen and refrigerated sections, they will penny out on Sundays, Mondays, or Tuesdays. It just depends on your area and your stores. So for the items that we're going to go over in this video, this is a huge your miles may vary right now, meaning that they just started to penny out at certain stores, but they will eventually penny out at all or most stores. I'm not going to say 100% because there's a lot of DGs out there. So I will be keeping an eye on these, and I will try to remind you all whenever we see that new stores have pennied out. However, I'm going to go ahead and give you all the information in today's video. So what I need you all to do is pull out a piece of paper. We are going to jot down the UPC codes that I'm going to give you all here in just a minute. And then we're going to pull up our DG app. You're going to pull up the screen just like you're scanning an item in the store. Right above the little scanner, you can type in the barcode. Click on that, type in your barcode, and then it's going to pull up the item for you. If the price shows up at 000, that means that it has in fact pennied out at your store. But if it is still showing full price, what I need you guys to do is to jot down the UPC codes or save these screenshots in your phone, and you're going to want to check these items every Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I know it's a little bit of a pain, but like I said, I'm going to try to stay on top of this, so make sure that you are subscribed, notifications, the whole 9 yards, and anytime that I see that more areas and more stores have pennied out, I will let you all know. Alright, so first up, we have the single serve Naked Juice Green Machine, 15.2 ounces. We also have the single serve Naked Juice Strawberry Banana. This is also a 15.2 ounce bottle. Next up, we have the single served Simply Apple Juice 11.5 ounce bottle. We also have the single-served Shamrock Farms S'mores Milk 12 fluid ounce bottles. And then we also have the single-served Shamrock Farms Vanilla Milk 12 ounce bottles. And last but certainly not least, we have our International Delight Zero Sugar Caramel Macchiato Coffee Creamers. This is a 32 ounce bottle. And we do have a 50 cent off one digital coupon. So if these have pennied out at your store, that is going to make it completely free, plus give you 49 cents in overage if you are at an old register store. If you're at a new register, it's just going to make the item completely free. Now, like I said, guys, this is a huge, your miles may vary. So not all stores have pennied out yet. Some have not. So you're going to have to check in your area. And if you are still at full price, just make sure that you check back again on those items next week. And if you want to, you can actually click on the little share button that's right down below this video, and you can send the link for this video to yourself in a text message or an email, just as another quick little reminder. And we can also help each other out. So if you guys see that these items have pennied out in your area today, just come back and let us know about it down in the comment section below. Guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have an update on our P&G spin coupons coming up next. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.